Hey guys, so please forgive my makeuplessness. And also, shh, don't tell anyone that I'm playing hooky today and I didn't go to work. Luckily, I don't put these videos up on time. I put them up like randomly, so this is so far away, no one will even know. So, moving on. I have been wanting and needing to try Color Oops. If you watch any of my videos, I just die over it, or I go to the salon and get it bleached out. But to be fair, this does not take off. I know I read it, I swear. It's not formulated for direct color dyes, such as pink, blue, green, purple, etc. Last time I dyed my hair was probably 6 weeks ago, and I did it blue-black. One of those blue-black shades. It looks pretty blue-blackish in this light. You can see my roots, they're a little bit more warm-toned. I don't even actually know what my natural hair color is. Under here, just to be fair, under here there is some bleached pieces that were like blue, purple, pink. I think I had peach for a little while. So I'm not sure what this is gonna do, or if it's gonna do anything, because it has been so long since I've used those colors, and I'm just not sure like how far back it'll take color out. Let's do this. And I hope this does not smell as bad as everyone says. Although if everyone says it, it probably does. We've only got 2 containers in it. Oh, Penny's joining us. Oh, a plastic bag. In case this doesn't go well, I guess. All right, just kidding. Okay. Probably edit that out. Maybe not, depends on how sassy I'm feeling. Okay, I'm not a huge fan of these types of, you know, things, but I think this was, I'll check. I believe this was 10 bucks or like $9.44 at Walmart. Okay, so here's the interesting part. Everything seems fine until you get to, well, it says you can't be in a cold room or have any cold air because that's going to affect how it does. So, okay, weird, but fine. Rinse with warm water and shampoo. Then rinse for 15 to 20 minutes. And it even says after that, yes, 20 minutes. Shampoo again and rinse for another 5 minutes. Repeat 2 more times. This step is very important for desired results. The more you rinse, the better the results. Apply a conditioner. Oh, so you can reuse. So after you use it and do all that, if you're not satisfied and you still have some of this left that is still pre-mixed, you can use it again. This is why I don't read directions, because it makes me like second guess whether or not I should do this, because that's a ton of water, a ton of time. You could possibly have to repeat it, and then the advice they give you for recoloring afterwards is to use a good protein conditioner on your hair with a shower cap for at least 20 minutes. That'll even out your hair's porosity so that if you put another hair dye on top of it, it doesn't grab on too dark and too ash, as opposed to golden or warm. Oh, Mother of Jesus. And we don't know what it's gonna remove. Like what is gonna show on my hair. All right, you know what? Nobody is home right now to supervise me, so we are doing this. Okay, let's mix first and then we'll go from there. Okay, so we have 2 bottles. We pour number 1 into number 2. All of the animals are going to leave me alone once the smell gets out. Okay, pouring. Ooh, it already smells quite strong and it's not even mixed yet. It's a great sign. Hi, Michael. He's not going to stay once he smells this. For at least, hi, bud. Buddy, you want to say hi? Okay, so it says to shake for at least 30 seconds. I know I'm not big on directions, but I've never used this, so I think it's a good idea to be kind of thorough. And I'm so curious as to what this is going to do to my hair. Alright, so some of that squirted into my mouth. So, in hindsight, this is a bad top. Don't use your mouth to open it. Move quickly through the application as the activity of the mixture decreases with elapsed time. Okay, so we are going through this quite quickly. Okay, note to self, super watery. will stain and dye any clothing it comes into contact with. And when I say super woodery, I mean like wooder. Oh, it smells terrible. Oh gosh. Okay, so I'm going with the put it on your gloved hand and then put it through. This is worse than the dye. Contacting other dimensions as well. You guys never see me again. This is the last thing taped. Do not use this. I contacted another dimension. They came, they took me. Okay. So, like I said, super woodery. Smells terrible. I've got a good description for it if you've never used it. Like a mix between chemicals, but also like the juice at the bottom of a trash bag. Ooh. I would definitely not use this if you were pregnant or if you were in a house with a child. Lots of ventilation. Okay, so I'm putting this all over my hair. It says you can just put it on the areas that you're trying to remove, but odds are you dyed your whole head, so you're probably trying to remove color from all over your hair. Obviously, if this gets on anything, it stains it. Good thing I'm wearing a white shirt. Huh. All right, we have covered our head. Okay, I'm gonna use, just to put this plastic, cover it, I'm gonna use a little hairband at the back there. All right, 20 minutes. It really worked. It lightened it. So I had forgotten in all the times that I dye my hair, which is like 3 million times, that it was actually this like mauve color. I combined, because it was really pink. So I'll insert a picture. It was really pink, and then the pink started to fade. And I thought it would be cool to use 2 of the unicorn hair colors. Anyways, so the previous color, this is actually like the more natural looking version of it. This absolutely worked. Okay, so here are my thoughts. So this is great if you know, every once in a while try something new and it bombs. I would not use this all the time. The chemicals in this smell terrible. It didn't bother my scalp at all. A hair dye doesn't bother my scalp typically either. Bleach is the only thing that really does, and this is bleach and ammonia-free, I believe. But whatever the chemicals are, they do smell terrible. And so I don't think breathing it in, definitely not inhaling it and putting it in your mouth like I did. Oh my God, please, for the love of God, do not do that. That was a terrible idea. Sometimes I can just be so like thoughtless. Anyways, yeah, I would use this every once in a while, but it is super wasteful as far as water goes. Definitely be a great alternative. I used to, you know, if I did a dark color or a color I didn't like and I changed my mind after a couple days, I would just dye it again or go and get it bleached or something like that. This is so much less harmful for your hair and so much more affordable. So yeah, I think this is really pretty cool as long as you've got a lot of time on your hands because, yeah. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this is helpful and helped you make a decision. And again, I got it at Walmart, and I'm pretty sure they have the cheapest prices, just to be honest. So I can also link it below, and I think that's pretty much it. So thank you so much, guys.